Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine hairs in Roblox PC. So let's begin. So here we are in roblox.com and we are currently in avatar editor. If you don't know how to go here, you can click here in avatar right here and you would be redirected right here. So first of all, what you will need to combine hairs is have different kind of hairs. So you would need to go to the marketplace and go find some hairs. Right there, here in marketplace, you can find some hairs by clicking here on the heads right here, and you can find a hair and you might want to buy some hairs right here. There are a lot that is for free, so you'd want to buy that so that it would appear right here in the avatar editor. So once you have the hair that you want, then you can go here into the head and body, and from here you want to go into hair, and from here you can see the different hairs that you have. And in my case, I'll be combining this one and this one right here. So to do that, all you have to do is simply wear the first one first. So I'm currently wearing this one, right? So what I want to do is go here and go open this in a new tab, this one hair that I want to add. So in my case, it will be like this. And what I want to do is copy the number here in the link, just the number right here. Copy this number right here and go back into the avatar, and this time we're gonna go click in advanced, and from here type or paste the thing or the number that we have copied in the link and say click save right here and click save right there. And after that it will load, and let's just wait for it to load right here, and you can see that it has actually been combined just like this one, and as you can see, it doesn't look really good right here because these are default hairs. So I suggest that you buy hairs just like this one that is really good looking, and you can combine hairs in this method. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.